The world is opening now. A gentle spring wind begins to flow. Everything slowly comes alive. Beyond the window, a new morning rises. We quietly breathe the light of day. Mountains, fields, rivers and skies all begin to breathe as one. The wind draws invisible paths. Flowers follow where it goes. It doesn't matter if it's slow or fast. Let everything move in its own time. Just being alive in this moment is already enough. The world is opening now. Life is quietly dancing. We are alive. We are here. The world is opening now. The world is opening now. We are alive. We are here. Endless skies begin to flow again. The sun rises once more. Every breath becomes a song, and everything